if you are running out of input-output pins and storage space for your ladder program, then you need the Arduino Mega2560. Arduino Mega2560 is shaped like the Uno, with the same functionality and more. Mega2560 microcontroller is the heart of the board, having pins spread out on 3 sides and flash memory of 256 kilobytes. Like the Uno and Nano, most pins are multifunctional but are labeled for specific functions. These pins at the top left and right are marked for power and reset. 5V and GND are also available at these points below. There are 16 analog input pins labeled from A0 to A15 and 54 digital input-output pins. Pins 2 to 13 also functions as PWM output, while pins 0, 1, 14 to 18 are marked as 4 UART serial communication. Pins 20 to 21 are also marked for I2C serial communication. There are 2 rows of pins in the section that has digital pins 22 to 53. See more details from the link in the description. Now let's set up LDmicro from scratch to program the Arduino Mega2560 in C mode. First, download the latest version of LDmicro with the link in the description. In this case, release v5.4.1.1. Extract its content to a suitable location in your computer and create a shortcut icon of LDmicro in your preferred language to your desktop. Next, download and install Microchip Studio for Atmel and SAM devices with the link in the description below. Also, download and install Arduino IDE for Windows. See tutorial 12 and 16 respectively for detailed steps. Now, open your LDmicro application folder and locate build-av-arrow.bat. Right-click on it and select Edit. Scroll down to the Set GCC Path section. Check that this path is the same as the installed Atmel Studio by navigating through the Program File folder on your computer hard drive to the bin folder. If not, right-click on File Explorer address bar and select Copy Address as Text. Highlight this section of the build-av-arrow.bat and paste the copied path. Save and close. Then, to upload the X file into the Mega directly from LDmicro, right-click on the FlashMCU.bat file in the same folder with the LDmicro application. Scroll down to the setupAVArrowDudes.exe configuration section. These configuration items are to be modified. First, let's modify the AVArrowDude path. Locate the AVArrowDude.exe file of Arduino installation in the Program Files folder of your computer. Right-click on the File Explorer address bar and select Copy Address as Text. Return to the FlashMCU.bat and paste it to replace the current AVArrowDude path. Type etc/ at this point. Set the programmer as wiring and also type wiring at this point. Replace this figure here in the AVArrowDude options with a baud rate of 115200 and also at this point. Add -D at this point and here. Replace the COM port with the one your Arduino board is connected to. Then save and exit. Sometimes, Windows may not recognize the AVArrow GCC commands when the build-av-arrow.bat is executed from LDmicro. If this happens, open File Explorer, right-click on this PC and click on Properties to open the system window. Click on Advanced System Settings to pop up the System Properties window. Click on Environment Variables. Under the User Variable for User section, double-click on Path. Check if the AVRO-GCC path is listed. If not, click on the New button. Paste the earlier copied AVRO-GCC path and click OK. Also, verify that the AVRO-DUT path is included as environment variable. Add it if not. Click OK to exit all open windows. Then open LDmicro with the shortcut on your desktop and create a blink program with a cyclic timer of 100 milliseconds and an external coil. Select the microcontroller type of Atmel LDmicro2560. Assign pin D13 to the coil. From the MCU parameter option of the settings menu, ensure that the MCU crystal frequency is 16 MHz. Click OK and save the program. Note that when you copy and edit an old program, you must save it in a different folder to avoid compiler errors. From the Compile menu, select Compile Atmel AVRO-GCC. Save with the same name of the program. Go again to the Compile menu and click on Build C Solution. This will execute the build avro.bat script and save a X file to the AVRO-GCC folder of your project folder. If any error is reported, restart LDmicro, open the project file, and repeat the previous compiling steps. Finally, call FlashMCU from the Compile menu to upload the X file into the Arduino Mega. Observe the fast blinking of the onboard LED of the Mega. If you want to call FlashMCU for Arduino Uno and Nano with the new bootloader, in the FlashMCU.bat file, copy and paste this line below. Add double colon at the beginning of this line for the Mega. Replace wiring with Arduino and delete -D for the Uno and Nano. Again, copy and paste this line below. Replace the baud rate with 57600. This line is for Arduino Nano with the old bootloader and some clone Nano. You can switch between using the call FlashMCU for the Mega, Uno, and Nano by placing these colons before the lines that are not required. Save, exit, and restart LDmicro. Change the microcontroller type to Atmel AVRO 80 Mega 32828 PDIP for Uno and Atmel AVRO 80 Mega 328 32-pin packages for Nano. Then compile Atmel AVRO-GCC, build C solution, and call FlashMCU to upload the code to the Uno or the Nano. See the same results as the Mega. I have provided a link to the FlashMCU.bat that you can edit in the description. Thanks for watching. Did you enjoy this tutorial? Hit the like button and consider subscribing if you have not.